Good morning all. How are you? Fine? Great. So class, ma'am is also fine and I'm keeping myself safe at home, or if I'm coming to school or I'm traveling, again I'm just following all the safety norms or the guidelines that we have to follow to protect ourselves from germs, that is corona germs. So if you are at home, that's really very good, but in case you are attending some gatherings, keep yourself safe. You have to wear a mask, and yes, keep a sanitizer, a small sanitizer bottle handy in your pocket so that you can keep sanitizing your hands every now and then, or you can say in every hour. Understood? So keeping yourself hygienic, keeping yourself safe is all your own responsibility, because now you are grown up. Isn't it? Great. So let's begin with our today's classes. So what is the day, class? Today is Wednesday, isn't it? And the date is 16th December. So we are going to learn something new in English. One new sound that we are going to do today. And this sound is, generally we are using this word, or you can say this particular blending sound while we are conversing. जब हम किसी के साथ conversation करते हैं, like as I am doing conversation, I keep on asking you different questions. So when we are asking questions, we often use this sound. But before moving to those words, I have certain pictures here with me. So I know one or two might be identical, one or two might not be identical. So let's begin first identifying these pictures, and then we will understand how we are going to write the spellings. And while writing the spellings, we will see that when we are writing the alphabets W and H together, what sound will come out? See class, we have done C and H. So what is the sound of CH? Ch, chair, ch, chain, ch, chips, isn't it? Then after that we have done S and H. So when we were talking about S and H, the sound that was coming is sh, isn't it? S and H sound, sh was coming out. So what were the examples we did? Sheep. Then we did, one was sheep, then ship, shell, सीखा था ना हमने shell. Then what else we did? Come on fast. What are you wearing in your foot? Shoes. Yes. Then we did shut. So shut means when the door is closed. Then fish. Last में आ रही थी sh sound. So we have done both the ways. So today we are going to understand that whenever we are writing W and H together, what sound is exactly coming out. Clear? So the first picture I have here is, what is it? It's a wheel. Yes, wheel. So how we write? W-H double E-L. Wheel. Eel. Double E आ गया ना यहाँ पे? So again, eel. You remember we did this word in double E sound also. So it's a wheel. What it is? Wheel. Okay. Now, okay, if it is not identical, leave it, we will discuss later. What is this? Something which the PT sir in the school use while giving instructions to make a line, stand in a queue, or you can see the traffic policemen. Traffic policemen देखा है जो red lights के वहाँ पे signal पे होते हैं, they use it to stop, to go, to give you instructions. So traffic policeman is also using it. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a city. Okay, great. Yes, we call it city. So इस city को हम English में क्या कहते हैं? You all are having the city with you? सबके पास पक्का से होगी. आपने जितने भी टॉयज खरीदे कभी ना कभी ये जरूर परचेज किया होगा. I am pretty sure. And you call it city. Yes, तो इसको हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं whistle. What we call it? Whistle. WHISTLE. We call it whistle. So again, when we are saying whistle, we have written wheel. Now it's a cat. अब इसमें तो WH आता ही नहीं है, but still I have something which is starting from WH in this cat also. Can you see these hairs like coming out? बिल्ली के देखे आपने यहाँ से निकले हुए होते हैं, है ना, बाल बाल से. So what we call that? मुझे? No, we don't call it mustaches. We call it whisker. What we call it? Whisker. तो ये जो पार्ट होता है कैट का, this is called whisker. एक whisker ये होता है. There is another whisker. If any time you must have seen mama is cooking omelette at home, or if she is mixing some batter for cake, तो mama एक spatulas use करती है जिसमें wires होती हैं, जिससे हम सारी ingredients को mix करते हैं. So that itself is also called whisker. Whisker होता है, वो एक अलग whisker होता है. This is another one. So that is we are using to whisk, to mix करने के लिए. And this whisker is the mustaches of a cat. Clear? जो यहाँ पे कैट के बाल निकले होते हैं फेस पे, those are called whisker. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is this? It's a chalk. Yes, I'm using it to write on the board. It's a chalk. What is the color of this chalk? What is the color? White. Yes. So you must have seen the pages are also white. We have white colored chart papers. Can you see this board a little here? ये थोड़ा सा दिख रहा होगा आपको. What color is this? It's a white board, a smart board on which we see videos. So what it is? What is the color? White. So again, white is the word which is starting from WH. So this is white. Color's name. It's a color name. Now what is this? It is, मम्मा खाना किसका बना, चपाती बनाती है, तो चपाती किस चीज से बनती है हमारी? मम्मा फ्लावर यूज करती है, आटा यूज करती है. वो आटा कहाँ से मिलता है? व्हीट से मिलता है. गेहूं. यस, गेहूं. व्हीट. So how we are going to write that? This is a wheat. So again, wheat. WH. Wheel. WH. White. Whistle. Whisker. So ये सब words कौन से alphabet से begin कर रहे हैं? Alphabet W. And the second alphabet is again the same here. That is H. So W and H. When these two alphabets are written together, we get the sound. Yes, can anyone tell me what sound we get here? W. The sound that comes by joining of alphabet W with H is W. W का sound क्या है? W. ठीक है? और H का sound ह होता है. तो क्या हुआ? See class, अब I'll explain here. W की साउंड होती है व, प्लस में H की साउंड ह, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हमारे पास H का साउंड मिक्स हो रहा है. So we just have to give a little stress on this. And how we give the sound? W. Whistle. Whisker. White. W. White. Wheat. Then we have wheel. Understood? So W and H is together written and spelled. Then the sound that comes out is W. Understood? What sound will come out? W. Like, where are you going? Where? अब आप कहीं जा रहे हो and I'm asking, where are you going? So where? See, again when we are talking of where, so where is the word starting with WH? Why? क्यों? हम पूछते हैं ना, क्यों खाना है आपको चॉकलेट? Why you want to eat a chocolate? Mama, please give me a chocolate. Why you want to eat a chocolate? So why? beginning or at the end of the word, the sound that comes out is w. As we have in whisker, w, whisker. We have w, whistle. We have w, white. W, where. W, wheat. W, what. Then we have w, wheel. W, why. Whenever we are talking about any word which is having W and H written together, the sound will come out W. All of you say with me, what sound will come out for W and H? The sound that will come out is W. W, Y. Then we have white. We have whistle. Yes, we have one more giant fish. Like yesterday, for SH we have done shark. You remember that? So can you tell me one big giant fish? The very big blue something? Yes, and it begins with W. What it is? Whale. Yes, the blue whale. Again, whale. That is also from W sound when W and H is written together. Clear? So whichever word you are having WH written together, wherever, the sound that will come is W. Sometimes we have seen, where are you going? No, we don't say it like that. Just see the lip movement. Where are you going? So whenever you are asking any, see, whenever. So I didn't say whenever, I said whenever. So it's all about your formation of the lips that will help you to bring out the correct sound. What तो नहीं होता, we always say what. What. Because W की sound हमें व लगती है, so we say what, where, why, no, what, where, why. So always the formation of your lips will be in the circular form. What, where, why, white, whale, wheel. Then we have wheat. We have whisker. We have whistle. Clear? This is how you have to do the correct pronunciation of each and every sound. And class, every time everyone is saying कि मैम इसकी vocabulary अच्छी नहीं है. बेटा vocabulary, even for parents I am saying, vocabulary is not about speaking English. It's about taking out your sounds correctly. जब आपको sounds exact पता होंगी, you know how you have to bring out that sound out of your mouth. That is actually the correct pronunciation. Clear? अब what भी बोल रहा है, what भी बोल रहा है, दोनों को इंग्लिश के वर्ड तो बोलने आ रहे हैं, but exact word क्या है? What. And that is the correct pronunciation, not English conversation. Clear? So to have a healthy conversation, you have to understand the proper sounds and you have to learn. Clear class? Great. Now moving towards the book work. So in the book, you are going to do page number 85. So when you will open this book on page number 85, which book? Your phonic book on page number 85, you will find WH sound words. Let us see how we have to do today's classwork and homework, and then we will move ahead. Okay? So class, now what we have to do, let's see how to do our today's work in book. Clear? So please open your book on page number 85 and there you will find the topic WH word family. So how we have to do this? First we are going to write today's date, 16 December 2020, and mention classwork because it's your book work. So what you will do, you have to first look at the picture, trace the name and say it aloud. So first you will see these pictures, you have to trace them and then speak them. Clear? Now read aloud. Now these are the words for our vocabulary building. Let's read them. Who? Say with me. Who? Why? What? What? When? Where? Why? Whose? Whose? Clear? So you have to do this reading practice also. Like here we have whale, wheat, wheel, white, whistle, whisker. Is that clear? Now, see the picture and complete the sentence. I saw a big. What is it? You have to write the name. Then, my teeth are. So, what is the color of your teeth, class? You have to see that in the mirror and write here the color name. Okay? I can roll a. So, what this boy is rolling here? A wheel. Yes. So, you have to write wheel. So, this is all about your classwork. Now, moving towards your homework. So, what you have to do for that, you have to take your notebook. And in this, we will first write the date. So, today's date, again, we are going to write in the notebook. 16 December 2020. And please mention homework. Because this book work is classwork, this one. But the work in the notebook is your today's homework. Clear? Now tell me, what is the first word we have? Yes, class, what word is this? It's a wheel. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. Clear? What is this? Wheat. W-H. Eat. Wheat. Then we have whistle. Yes. So how you are going to write that word here? W-H. Again. Isle. Isle. So it is whistle. So now I have made a circle shape and I have colored it. Can you see this is? So what color is it? White. Then some more words, let's write them. Why? Then we have whip. Where? Clear, class? So this is how you are going to write different word sound words, or you can say WH sound words in your notebook. Is that clear to everyone? How you are going to finish your work today in homework? And the classwork will be, you have to do this in your book. So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do the correct pronunciation of different sounds. That is A, E, I, O, U. Then we have done double E, double O. Then we have done CH, SH, WH, and a part of these there are a lot of other words. The only way to speak them effectively, to speak them in a very impressive way, is to bring out the sounds properly. Clear? Whenever you are speaking any word, just see what is the exact sound and how you have to spell it out. Clear? So I hope the work is all clear to you. Finish your work and share it with me. Bye for now. Get ready for the next class. Take care.